I just fell. Time is currently 5:49 a.m. and I'm headed to a 6 a.m. spin class. I know you haven't seen me in a while, but this new Canadian me, she's different. Even though I am Canadian, it's just like me being back here, she's different. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how I got dragged into enjoying spin classes now, but I'll explain later. Sheesh, it is currently bright out now. Time is currently 8:58 and I have Pilates at 9:30. And I've just been stacking shit up because I have nothing better to do. And Pilates is pretty low intensity, but I've just been sitting here with Sterling, journaling. I got a new journal. Typically I like the moleskin ones, but I haven't found like a journal that like I'm in love with. I got a pink one this time. I feel like I'm becoming a pink girly. I got a pink water bottle. I just feel like pink is the vibe lately, but I was just journaling like what I'm grateful for and all that stuff. But I have Pilates in 30 minutes. Basically, like if you guys have never tried Pilates before, it's basically like you're doing like, let's say an ab workout, but it's not like a 10-minute ab workout where you're like going crazy and it's burning like crazy. It's like very slow and controlled. So you're never actually feeling like, oh my god, like I can't do this, because I feel like most workouts are like that. And but we gotta head out. The thing that I don't miss about being in Canada is going outside and it'd be so cold. You have to like sit in your cold car and start your car, and it's not the vibe. I just pulled up to the basketball center. Listen, y'all, I've never done basketball lessons or anything like that before, but I was like, I'm just bored. Like, y'all remember when I had a basketball court in my last building? I never used it. Well, we're gonna fix that because I can still go back to the building and play basketball. If you guys can't tell, I'm bored.
Straight up, rise.
I just finished basketball. It was really good. Like, this is so fun. I have it again tomorrow, but I literally only have one workout set here with me, and right now I'm wearing something mismatched because I don't know where everything went. So I want to get some workout clothes because I feel like workout clothes like motivate you to work out and it makes me more excited. And lately I've just been putting on old sweaty workout clothes that are mismatched. So I want to get myself maybe like a couple sets. You know, I feel like I deserve it. I feel like I deserve it. I'm deserved. Here we have an assortment of different shorts, basically the same style, just different brands and different sizes. So we're gonna try them on.
A few moments later.
I didn't love any of them. I tried convincing myself to buy something. No. Nordstrom Rack. We're gonna see if we can get some things here because like the price at Sport Chek, like I wasn't loving it and I wasn't loving the pieces. But here, if I'm like not loving something, at least the price may be a little bit better, but who knows? Who knows? This workout section is looking very dry. These prices are literally the exact same as Sport Chek. I thought I was gonna get a deal. Ain't no deal here. Now we are at West Edmonton Mall. I probably should have just gone here in the first place, but I just didn't. Why are these so cute? Hollister, what's going on?
Hollister Hall.
Wait, where are you from?
I'm from Edson.
Oh, so he knows what's up.
Do you get noticed much?
I don't know what I look like. This is what I look like. And I just keep going at people. Because, like, I understand. Like, you don't want to say hi, you know? It's okay. If you see me, please say hi. But I get it. So I'll just go. These underwear are so cute. And how much are they? $20 for a pack of 5. I'm gonna get those. And then I'm gonna get these. Please tell me why I'm on my knees at Marshall's right now. Do I need this much underwear? No. But are they cute and, like, a good price? Yeah. These two come underwear shopping with me? No, because tell me why I haven't gone underwear shopping like ever in my life. Is this bad? I don't give a fuck. I literally wore my sister's like hand-me-downs that she didn't want from like Victoria's Secret Pink when she was in high school. So like I've been wearing the same underwear since I've been in middle school. I ain't gonna lie. Whatever. Y'all, look at this. $15 on sale. All of a sudden, I'm a pajama girly. Like, if this is what it's gonna take for me to, like, take a bath, guys, it's not like I don't shower. I'm just saying, like, take care of myself, like, in extra ways. Self-care is a service to others. Okay, I heard Uniqlo has really good clothes in general, so I just came here to see maybe if they had anything. And they have leggings and sports bras and everything. So I got green, gray, black, and purple. I think when I go to Lululemon, am I gonna get anything? We'll see. Okay, I went to Lululemon and I was like, oh, let me get a yoga mat if I'm not gonna get anything. And I saw the price was $100 and I was like, I like this one. $24. I need a bag to carry this stuff. I came in here and I saw this for $30 and it's ugly. I personally don't love it. But you know what I do love? This, because I can strap this yoga mat onto it. I don't know. I think that it may be ugly, but I literally don't care. I don't know if you guys are like this. Definitely you guys are like this, and I know this because this is me. Beginning of the year, or whenever I get a little burst of motivation, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna start eating healthy. Like, eating healthy makes me feel so good. Like, I'm gonna just cook my meals at home. Like, it's gonna be so easy. I'm gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow. So you go grocery shopping, you get all the things you need, and you start cooking these healthy meals, right? Because that was me. But then you start running out of food, and then all of a sudden you're not cooking anymore, but then you're too lazy to go to the grocery store again because that's so much effort to go to the grocery store, pick out all these things and craft up these recipes again. So instead, you're like, I'm feeling a little bit hungry, but there's no food in the house, so I guess I'm just gonna go out to eat. But actually, I don't wanna go out because I don't wanna see people, and it's also freezing cold outside. So let me just order something, and then next thing you know, your $8 3-piece combo turns into $30. This is my fridge right now. What are we feeding, a rabbit? That's why I want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. Now, instead of the inconvenience of the grocery store, you can have this delivered to your doorstep, and all the recipes are quicker to make than actually ordering food. I'm literally fucking crying right now, like. Not me watching my own videos because I'm like, who is this bitch? By the way, whenever like I watch a YouTube video back or something of me, like I don't think that it's me. Like I think it's somebody else. Like I don't realize that like I'm being perceived this way. Like I don't realize that like you guys like think that this is me. Anyways, this is what the scrumptious meal of the night looks like. You guys can also have this if you guys go to HelloFresh.com and use code MyFam65 for 65% off your HelloFresh order plus free shipping. I'm cooking Sterling's food. Sometimes I'd be getting bored and I make Sterling like, I was gonna say extravagant meals, but what I'm making him is just like adding a little extra fruit and eggs to his food. Look at this little cutie. Give me my food, bitch. Give me it. I love you, Sterling. Sit, lay down, roll over. That's not roll over. Sit, lay down, roll over.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Good boy. Sit, paw. Good boy. Stand, 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 stand. Good boy. I'm really chefing it up for my dog right now. Sheesh. I literally added a pineapple to some meat. I'm so bad. Good morning, it's the next day, and today I'm going to be cleaning everything because I have to leave this Airbnb in 40 minutes, less than that actually, and pack up everything, but it looks like a mess. And before you say anything, it looks like I'm cleaning my room at 2 a.m. again and I'm depressed and 16 years old. But the reason why is because I'm in an Airbnb and nothing has a place. Like I didn't Here's the bathroom. I don't know what happened, but something happened. This is the room. I know y'all are looking at me in disgust right now, okay? I get it. This is the laundry. This is the living room. And this is the kitchen. Now, I know you guys are screaming at me, but you know what? It's fine. I'm not even gonna try to make excuses, even though I did, but we're gonna clean it. That's all that matters. But we have to do it in a rush, which is even more fun because it's like, you know what I mean? Okay, we're gonna start with the bathroom because I feel like this is the biggest mess, and then we're gonna work our way out there. Okay, so I definitely went over the time. Time is currently 11:45. So it took me like an hour and 10 minutes to clean, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like because I think that I did a pretty good job cleaning. And it was honestly really satisfying, like playing some music. I just started like a 2000s nostalgic playlist. I'll link it down below. But like, it's just a playlist with like all of the songs I used to hear in like the 2000s movies. You know what I mean? Like, you'll see what I mean if you listen, but let me show you. All right, this is what the kitchen's looking like. Pretty spick and clean. Dining table, living room. This is all of the trash. And then I'm currently doing some laundry for them, like the towels. This is the bed. The closet's all nice and clean. And then the bathroom, wow. Who knew it even looked like this? Anyways, I'm gonna head out now. That was a successful clean.
East and the west, racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Cleaning up my lines, and sending them but the best.